When varying conveyor construction sanitation levels make sense by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built a food-grade transport conveyor system consisting of 2 levels of sanitary compliance. The initial conveyors are stainless steel constructed for maximum 3A dairy compliance as required to move processed cheese in a food-grade, wash-down atmosphere through the bagging process. The filled bags then travel through a sectional wall into a reduced sanitation area of the line, where much more cost-effective Sanitation Level 2 conveyors made of painted mild steel are acceptable. The design chosen also utilizes guideless conveyance to transport the bags. Only the contact with the belt delivers the bags to their next destination. A 90-degree bag transfer and backstop are used to assist in the combining of the 2 timed release lanes of product to a single lane and also to change bag orientation. The backstop helps guide the flexible package wide edge leading from the transfer onto the transport sections and the 90-degree curves to the case packer. Another case packer is fed by a tabletop conveyor that conforms to the customer's floor plan line layout. LBP transitions were strategically placed in conveyor-to-conveyor transfer sections. Note, product used in this video are for demonstration purposes only. The customer's decision to use high-level sanitary ground and polished welded construction only where necessary, then completing the line with painted mild steel constructed conveyors through metal detection, labeling, and into the case packing area significantly reduced the project's cost. Learn the benefits of washdown sanitary stainless steel conveyor construction versus painted mild steel systems. Then evaluate the difference. Perhaps a combination of the 2 is right for one of your future production lines. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. We look forward to designing your next conveyor system. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.